This is Home Evolution doing a roof inspection on a roof that we did, and solar panels were installed afterwards. And this is something that we see common. This is why we a lot of times do final inspections, to make sure that there aren't any problems on the roof itself. And as I was examining this, you can see that there are certain areas where, when the solar installation was occurring, you could see that there were holes that the solar company went through and made. And instead of letting us know that we need to replace these shingles, in some areas they caulked them, some areas they left these exposed. They did throw a little bit of, it looks like aluminum underneath this, but as you can see, now the shingle is not sealing down properly because of the aluminum, so you have to hand seal it as well. This is some more damage that happens here. You could see that they tried to find the studs here, and you could see these all along the side here. These were broken as well. So it is kind of key to make sure that after any kind of installation occurs of solar panels, after you get your roof replaced, that you go through and inspect it, make sure things like this are not happening, so that way your roof that is meant to last 30 years plus, or 25 years or whatever, can actually last the duration of the installation. So something to keep in mind. You install the roof. Roof installations are never cheap. You could see here, same thing is happening on here, where they went through and ripped the shingles up. So we will go through and caulk all this stuff, change it out, but something to keep in mind.